morning children. Today we are going to learn Sound of Music part first, Evelyn Gallini. And today our points are: Evelyn gave audition at the age of 17 at Royal Academy of Music in London, and how she lost her hearing faculty. Similarly, after physical disability, she achieved a great name and fame in the field of music. How can it be possible? With the hard work and determination, she achieved whatever she wanted to achieve. And that's why in the very beginning of the chapter we see that the 17 years girl was waiting for her train at the railway platform, and people were jostling each other, and it was a crowded time. At that time she was going to London for audition at the Royal Academy of Music. Actually, when she was 11 years old, she lost her hearing faculty. Once she was playing xylophone along with her friends. When her turn comes, and her name was taken twice and thrice by her mother, but she didn't move. And at that time, her mother realized that she lost her hearing faculty, but she didn't take much care about that. And in the passage of time, when she was in school at the age of 11 years, her marks were deterioratingly falling down, continuously falling down, and then principal called the parents and informed them that they have to consult the specialist. And then doctor checked her and declared that she lost her hearing faculty, and everything was dark for Evelyn. At that time, the principal asked the parents to take your daughter and to admit in a special child's school or physical disabled child's school. But Evelyn didn't want to see her future like that, so she decided not to give up, and then she started finding her future in music. But because of her loss of hearing, it was very difficult for her. But her percussionist John Forbes, her teacher, asked her not to hear the music but try to feel it. And with the help of that teacher, she learned the upper west and lower west notes. In the passage of time, she learned to realize and to feel the music, and then she achieved many awards in Royal Academy of Music. She gave the solo performances. She gave the performance for the physically disabled children, and she achieved many awards. And when she about her teacher says that when we listen music, she feels it, and she says that her determination and hard work give success to her in the field of music. She finally declared in the lesson that if she became the inspiration for many of the people. She says that many disabled children think that if she can do like this after physical disability, anyone can do success in the field of life. And that's why Evelyn Gallini, The Sound of Music, is an interesting chapter, in which it is a motivational chapter in which after physical disability, how a girl achieve extraordinary success. This lesson is all about it.